Iya Mix Vlog, maraming salamat sa pagsilip at bisita sa aking live. Yung may logo. Ako kaya hanapin mo. Oh, ikaw talaga.
No surprise! Right after I laid out the cooling pad, she climbed on it all on her own. This cooling pad absorbs body heat and helps relieve joint pain.
Hanapin mo ko. Hanapan tayong dalawa. Exit mo na ako, host. Gawin ko muna mga trabaho ko dito. Adi pa ako nakapagluto ng almusal. Sige, kuan, amo rin. Sige. Sige na. Chores muna. Oo, ako mamaya din. Madaming labahan. Basta Miss Ra. Ikaw iya ang tindahan, asikaso ang tindahan iya, ang tindahan, may mopalit na ron. Wa jud kay pampalit og puril. Bahala gajud ka. Bahala gajud ka kung wala kay kuan, wala kay asikaso ang tindahan. Karon na ay tay pampalit diha og puril. Ikanindot na imong mga puril na oy, mga mamahalin ba yan na. Thanks bye sa lahat. Sige lang mo rin kay bisitahin kita mamaya sa live mo ha. Yung may logo. Dario, ikaw na maghanap sa akin, Dario. Oo, sige. Good day. Miss Ra, thank you for staying, Miss Ra. Thanks, bye sa lahat. Wait, malagpasin ko lang konti. Ano na siya, nag 2 hours na siya. Mag-end na rin ako maya-maya. 2 hours na rin. Iya, dagang salamat iya ha. I don't know why you love me. Was it something I said that you know wrong with? Know why you love me? Na 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 far back. You don't seem to care if I ever give back all of the love you give them. You seem to be pleased if you only show me all of the love inside of you. I wish that I could love that way too. I don't know why you write me when I never write back. You answer me anyway. I don't know why you love me, but I'm learning to love. Depending on love in return. You don't seem to care if I ever give that all of the love you give to me. You seem to be pleased if you only show me all of the love inside of you. I wish that I could love that way too.